Okay, so I thought I would try doing, for the month of December, at least up until Christmas, do an ornament a day. And I do have one done for the 1st and the 2nd. I just haven't uploaded it yet. So I went to the dollar store today to buy some things that I could hopefully use for the ornaments. So I thought I would show you what I bought so far. Well, hopefully that's it that I will buy. So I thought this was really cute. It is a pom-pom garland. And it was $1.25 for 4 feet. So I bought 6 of them because I'm hoping, now this isn't to make a decoration. I was thinking of using this as a garland on the tree because I just think it is super cute. I also got this. They're all separate. It's wooden blocks and it spells the word Christmas. And it was $3. Now remember, this is Canadian. I got these little things. Thought that could be added to something. You get 24 berries in a pack for $2. I find it very hard to find a tree topper that I like, and this one is rustic and nice. I like it, and it was only $4. Like, I really like that. I could see you going to a higher end store and then charging a ridiculous amount of money for something like that. I just got one of these to tear apart and use for different things. And I got, oh sorry, this garland was $4. I got 3 packs of these at $1.50 each. They're clear bulbs and they come apart. So I thought maybe I can figure out some things to put inside of those. I saw these birdhouses and I thought they would be cute painted and decorated and on the Christmas tree. This one was $1.50. This one was $1.50 as well. It comes with paints, but I will not be using those. And this one. So I got 3 of those. And then these are different shapes. And they were $2. And you get 30 pieces in there, and there's flowers, hearts, stars, and that shape. I doubt I'm going to use the flower, but all the other shapes I thought would be good. And I have an idea for those already. I got 2 packs of these. They're pretty big though. They are, you get 4 in a pack for $1.25, and they're just wooden circles. These I thought were so pretty, and honestly, I don't even know if I'll do anything with them. I just may tie a string to them and hang them from the tree. They're so pretty. There's a square and a circle and a heart. Oh, it says 6 pieces. Oh, there's 2 of each. I thought there was only 3 in a pack. There's 6 in a pack at $1.25. I would have only bought 2 packs. I bought 3 packs. So if I do anything to them, I think I'll just paint them, but I think I'm going to leave them natural. And this I bought, like, it's just held together with wire. So I thought I could take it off the wire and use the bells, because they're pretty bells. Very pretty. Oh, and I got these wooden planks for $2, and you get 6 And I have a couple different ideas. I'm not sure which I'm going to do. I bought some moss. I thought I might put some on the birdhouses, or who knows what else. It was $3 a bag. And I got this wool. It's very thick wool. That was $4. There's the price tag. That was $4. And some stocking stuffers and marshmallows for my kids. Don't need to see that. And I got a couple of these. They're battery operated tea lights. I was thinking I could put them inside the birdhouse, but now I see that there's no way in the birdhouse. But maybe I'll find another use for them. And I bought these L'Oreals. I had these purchased before I saw those. So that is my haul from the dollar store. And hopefully it'll provide me with Christmas ornaments. Okay, got some more stuff at another Dollarama. This one, it's wall stickers, but it looks like wood. And I got some wooden clothespins. Oh, sorry. This was $3. Wooden clothespins were $1.25 each, and there's 36 in a pack. Got these little trees for $2.50. And this is jute tape. There's actually adhesive on the back, so I thought that may come in handy. I got some of these berries, which is actually something I was looking for at the other dollar store but couldn't find. These were $1. And that's just to help possibly with some painting. And I got some pine cones. These are $2 each. I got 2 bags. And so excited. I found some red felt. I was so happy when I saw this because I already know what I want to make with it. And then I just got some smaller styrofoam balls at $1.25. Oh, and this felt was $2, and the pine cones were $2. And this is the same felt that I like to use for the spines of my handmade art journals, but in red. It's growing. I need to come up with some ideas.